last operator standing.
Bitch, you thought I wouldn't?
Oh, sick.
Last chance.
I'm interrogating.
Got in
There's someone expect to blow a wall right there. He's gonna blow it. Oh no, he put down an explosive urchin ran right out through that door. He ran through that door.
Op 4 last stop standing. Friendly's victorious.
Oh, that interrogation was huge.
Feels like a really easy defend room. I don't know. I'm watching that door, by the way. Oh, you're putting a trap there.
Stay clear.
I'm gonna watch the barrel. Oh, yeah.
I'm watching stairs.
You hear somebody trapped out?
Oh.
Wait, what? 5v2. Is someone else gonna kill already?
Maybe.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Okay, well.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission
Yeah, mine
successful.
killed him. Nice.
What the fuck?
I think we got weakened by a gun. Maybe.
Beautiful combo.
The last tick, this goes on the mine.
Where me and the random are. Full body shield.
Yep.
Yo, I'm gonna see from the other way.
Oh, from behind us.
Oh.
You got ruined. We're all looking at the one guy. Normally you're expecting that there's someone to follow the shield, but you got this line easy. They just have a giant shield.
Yes, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah, the shield's not the threat. He sees it.
Op
Oh,
4
nice.
last operator standing.
Oh, what a god.
Victorious. Hostiles
Nice
eliminated.
clutch.
Whew. Now we kick him, right?
Come on, guys.
You're lying down out near me, behind me on the stairs.
Op 4 eliminated.
Wait,
Mission
take care of that air trap.
Oh shit, no, this is not my kill, that was bad aim. Okay, no, it's your best.
Look at this kill. Wait, this guy's just blind.
What? Did you put it low?
Friendly last operator standing.
Yo, they're coming.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Nice.
Op
One guy there,
4
one guy there.
last operator standing.
It's coming around.
Holy shit,
Victorious.
that headshot.
Eliminated.
Oh my, you're hacking.
Ooh, Darius,
Op 4 last operator
Oh
standing.
no, I knocked him.
Op 4
No,
eliminated.
I wanna see how this camera works.
Yes.
He's shocked runner.
What the fuck? Why are you savage?
Oh, he's right here.
I'm fucking hurt.
Op 4 eliminated.
What did you do?
Oh,
you're back.
I feel like
Just for fun.
they said why, so I'm wondering if he was like looking at first or not. Die, I think.
I didn't
10
die,
seconds to
but
go.
Yo, press. Trolling? Okay, I got it.
Friendly's victorious.
Yo, what just...
Hostiles eliminated.
What was that? What are you doing?